everyone, welcome to Hey Tools. And after a long time, I have come to show you about myself and about a new video on Scopus. And this is Scopus, and a lot of people knock me that how can they get the Scopus access. And but I was not able to provide the access because I wasn't prepared for this. So I have already got the subscriptions of Scopus, and today I am going to show you about Scopus and how can you get this with a reasonable price. And I will provide you, if you want to buy, you must knock on my WhatsApp or Telegram. And this is my YouTube channel, and you can visit my platforms from there. This is my website. If you go for this, and this is my WhatsApp, this is my Telegram, and this is my Facebook page. I hope you all are, if you are interested in Scopus and you want to get the subscription of Scopus for your journal, you must knock me from my page or WhatsApp or Telegram. And this is my website. You can visit for any kind of subscription from there, and you can purchase anything from my website. So I'm going to talking about Scopus. And this is Scopus that you're looking for, that Scopus, and many of us for education and for research, you need Scopus access for database. And if you want to buy a single database, that is also possible. And if you want to buy Scopus access for 6 months, for 1 year, that is also possible. But you have to pay something about that. And now I'm going to log in on my account and show you that Scopus access, that subscription bought by Hey Tools. Let's start. So you must log in. After putting the password, sign in. You have to wait. And you see that we have this is purchased bought to you by Universidad Nacional de Colombia, and that is how we purchase the Scopus access. And this is for database. You must need for something like in the soil, oil, anything. You want to search about your any topic from there, like you want to search these, you can search from there, and you will got the database and your necessary research paper from there. You can search from there also. There are categories and everything, and that is how you can get the necessary your database and use it as you need. So researchers and educationers and students, those are looking for this subscription Scopus or Science Direct and Web of Science, anything you are looking for, you must knock us on our Telegram, WhatsApp, or anywhere. For sure I will help you, or you can buy from me. And we are providing many clients these subscriptions with very trust and very stable version. So that's it. And in this video I am also showing you that how can you search the basic needs of Scopus, how can you find out anything, that how to conduct a basic search tutorial. I will add this also on my video. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you all will message us on our WhatsApp or Telegram for purchasing Scopus access. Thank you.
Welcome to a Scopus video tutorial on search. In this example, you are looking for articles on the applications of 3D printing for prosthetics to determine your own research approach. Enter the search terms into the search box. In Scopus, Curly brackets are used to indicate an exact phrase, while quotation marks indicate an approximate or loose phrase. Use an asterisk as a wildcard to ensure you get results for 3D print and 3D printing, as well as prosthetics and prosthetic. To capture as many relevant documents as possible, let's also spell out the number 3 in a separate search field by clicking on plus, Add Search Field. Changing the Boolean operator to OR and adding the search terms 3-dimension asterisk, print asterisk, and prosthetic asterisk. For more information on setting up a search query in Scopus, you can select search tips on the right side of the screen. The default search fields include article title, abstract, and keywords. Select the down arrow to find a menu of other fields within which to search. For an initial search, you can keep the defaults and select the search button below. In the top left corner, you see that this search has yielded more than 1,000 results. These are displayed down the center of the screen. By default, the results are sorted by date. You can use the drop-down menu on the upper right to sort in a different order. You can refine your results using the menu on the left. For each of the facets, you can select the corresponding arrow to see what is included. Then expand the options by selecting Show All. Select the subject area you are interested in, such as medicine, and click Limit To. You can also exclude results using this menu. For example, if you are not interested in agricultural and biological sciences or physics and astronomy, select those subject areas and then select the Exclude button. And if you are only interested in recent research, type down the most recent years and click the arrow. If there is anything you want to change, edit the search terms in the search box at the top of the page. Run your search and refine it again.